Hello, guys. Heather is going to hop on in just a second. She is co-hosting Revive in Ojai with me in November. I'm going to see how to add her real quick. And we just want to do a little chat, introduce each other, and let you know what we're going to be up to in Ojai. I don't know if you guys have ever been to Ojai, but it's in the world. Whenever I can escape there, I do. And it's super close to my home. So,
Yay!
hi, Heather.
Hey, we're here. We did it.
We did it. We did it. I love your background.
Oh, thanks. I
So
have these
pretty.
yeah, little mandala stickers.
Oh, I love that. That's so
Yeah.
sweet. Well, I'm stoked for our retreat in Ojai, and I'm excited to chat with you a little bit about it today. So, we're headed to Ojai November 12th to 15th for a yoga and Pilates retreat. And we are going to moderate that a little bit. And so Heather and I actually met on a retreat, and now it's so cool that we're getting to host one together. And we love that we were talking about this, like what we wanted to touch on before we hopped on here. And we just find it so cool that we've really become, like, we've bonded. That's how we met each other, was through trainings and retreats.
Yeah.
And Heather had told me about her first time at a retreat, so she's going to share that story with us.
Yeah. Yeah. My first retreat, actually, it was not the first one, was not where I met Lindsay, but I didn't know anyone going, but I just knew I wanted to go on a yoga retreat. And it was, I live in LA, and the retreat was in Topanga, just a couple hours away. And it was just a long weekend. So that felt really accessible to me because most of the yoga retreats I was seeing were in Costa Rica or Mexico or Europe. And
Yeah.
didn't feel like I could get away for that amount of time. But I didn't know anyone. My husband was going to be staying home with the kids, so he wasn't going to come with
Woo!
me. I know, good husband. And I even got paired up. I asked the instructor to, she put out an email saying a few people wanted to carpool. And I was like, sure, that sounds great. My husband and I were also sharing a car at the time.
Oh,
So I
yeah.
was like, great, I can leave him with the car. Um, so not only was I paired up for a carpool, but I went on this retreat not knowing a single soul. And this was in, oh my God, I don't even know. This was in, yes, I do. It was 2019 because I had just
Okay.
finished teacher training. And this was like my reward to myself for doing the
Yeah.
training. Yeah. And I still talk to people that I met on that retreat. So I definitely made lasting friendships. I will also say, because I was going there alone, I went ahead and booked a spot in the ladies' loft, which is something we also have at our retreat.
Yeah.
And it was perfect. It was a perfect place for me to be. And I was a little worried about, like, oh my God, I'm going to be sleeping in a room with six other women. But we really only went to the loft when we were all ready to go to bed. Like, there was
Yeah.
so much community. This is the best part about a yoga retreat. There is so much desire from everyone that's there to be with the people that are there. Like, nobody wants to, for sure you can find your alone spots, and Twin Creek Ranch has a ton of places to find solitude. But for
Absolutely.
the most part, retreats attract people that they want to get to know one another. They want to
Yeah.
have that connection.
Yeah, especially when you trust that the teachers are going to create a safe space for you. And then that's why the people that come are the people that come. It's because they're attracted to that.
Exactly.
And it's all like kind of like mindedness and similar energy and respect for each other. So yeah, I had a really similar experience when we went to India. I mean, I think I only knew you, and I don't know if I knew you were coming. I think that was like
I I
I think
was
I
gonna
found
say,
out
I
once I
don't
was
think
there.
we
Yeah.
didn't know we were gonna be. It wasn't maybe until the very end, because I remember seeing
Yeah.
that, like, very end before the retreat. I remember looking for you in the airport or something, and like,
Yeah.
yeah,
So I knew Joan and I just like trusted her, you know? So I think that's a really big thing with retreats is just like knowing the instructors or the hosts and trusting
Yeah,
them and knowing that the people that are going to come are going to be in alignment with that.
absolutely.
So yeah, I think it's just a really great place to open yourself up, uh, meet new people. And, you know, you had mentioned too when we were chatting earlier, like we're so disconnected. It's very true. I mean, I love and appreciate that I can work from home and be online, but it's very disconnected. Like I'm not around people anymore. And
Yeah.
sometimes I get too much in my own like workspace where I then need to like pull myself out and be like, oh, I need community. I need to go hang out with friends. So this
Yeah.
is also a really good opportunity for that.
Yeah, and even teaching in person, it can get like that. Like, um, when I take classes, I might talk to the teacher for a few minutes afterwards class. Certainly when I am the teacher, there's always this sense of like the next class is coming in or people have places to go. And so
Yeah,
there might be like a few minutes, but there is always seems like a sense of like, okay, I don't want to keep you or something like that.
right.
And one of the greatest things too about the retreat is that I remember in Goa, it was the first time I really got to like hang out with Joan. And like,
Yeah.
Joan has been Lindsay and my teacher for years. For me, since 2019. I don't know if it dates back further for you. But then in 2023, this was like the first time I was like going to the beach with Joan and like, sitting down at mealtime and
Yeah.
and getting to talk about stuff that's, and also have conversations that aren't about like a question I had about class. So, you
Right.
know,
Right. Not just about alignment and form or
yes, it
the
doesn't
Yoga
just have to be
Sutras.
all yoga talk. Although I think we did kind of laugh about that in Goa too, about how like we would have these. Goa was a little different because it was a teacher training and a
Right.
retreat, so like it was pretty intense, like
It was very intense.
educationally. But like even after getting out of these long practices and spending hours a day, in yoga, we would all go to dinner and talk more about yoga. So,
Yes. Yeah,
yeah.
we would. It was such a cool experience.
Yeah.
So, yeah, I'm so excited to be hosting this. And if you guys have any questions, we actually linked the website. It says book here, go to website to go check that out. We have more resources to other videos, and it's both on our website. So you can just direct message us or even comment on this live, and we can get you or answer any questions that you have. So we also planned, it's going to be yoga and Pilates, but there is time for some other free time. We're going to explore Ojai either as a group or maybe you can go off independently. Really cool artsy vintage town, good for some shopping. We have a hike planned. We're going to do pottery, and then the last night we have a wine tasting. You can't skip on the California wine. Uh, you have found an awesome chef for us that has like really amazing or healthy local food.
Yeah.
So
Farm
we're
to
covered
table.
there.
Yeah. And the venue that we're staying at is phenomenal. I mean, if you go to the website, you'll see lots of photos. It's stunning. I
It's
can't wait
stunning.
to spend a few days there. It
Yeah.
has a gorgeous pool, heated pool, and a hot tub with a waterfall. So even just listening to even if you're not like a person who wants to go in the water, even just sitting by the pool and listening to the
Yeah.
waterfall is beautiful. It has a giant wraparound porch and it's situated with a perfect view of the Topo Topo Mountains.
Yeah.
So,
We're
Lindsay
gonna get
wants,
some good sunsets. Definitely.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Ojai, because of its specific location, is famous for pink sunsets.
Yeah. They're so cool. So I'm
Yeah,
excited for that. Well, Heather, thank you for hopping on here and chatting with me a little bit about retreats and like kind of what to expect. And again, if anyone has any questions, let us know.
yeah,
And have a good afternoon, Heather. And bye, guys. We'll see you guys
yeah.
later.
Thanks, Lindsay.
Thanks, Heather.